So it's about 6 a.m. It started raining, and now it's hailing and pouring rain. And my bike's getting a nice little bath. Camp is gonna be nice and muddy today. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It's September 1st, 2018. Start of a new month, start of fall. This is the month. No, it's not. we don't get cool temperatures in September. It's usually
so like November.
Yeah, it's end of October. Like some Halloween's been chill. Most time Halloween's warm. But anyway, editing today's vlog. Bryce is watching some Harry Potter, eating a cinnamon roll, and the girls are in the kitchen making some breakfast.
Starting breakfast.
What's on the menu today, ladies?
Croissant, egg, sausage, casserole.
Ooh, sounds lovely.
See if it's gonna pop. Popped last time. We were vlogging them. We are high altitude. Oh, fail. Never pops when I have the camera on. Boop. Oh, weak.
So I drove about 15 minutes out from camp to Mormon Lake Lodge. This is where we camped many times with the swags, and even with the friends we're with this weekend. It's a great little camping site. They have a bar and a restaurant, and there's a rodeo going on over here. It's a little small. It's a little small for the bigger trailers, but it's a nice little campground. Plus the weather is obviously amazing. I get LTE service up here, so I drove over here. I'm just kind of sitting in a field, using my hotspot on my phone to upload the vlog. But I'm not gonna lie. There was a moment there where I was driving along the road trying to find the best signal, and I couldn't get a good signal, and I almost had this thought of like, I can't upload the vlogs this weekend because I'm not driving to Flagstaff. Flagstaff's way too far, and I'm already sitting. I already have to sit in the car for an hour to upload. I was just like, I'm not gonna drive 45 minutes to an hour to sit in the car for an hour and then drive an hour back. You guys almost didn't get vlogs this weekend. But I found service. I found good service, and it's only 15 minutes away from camp, so crisis averted. Just to show you guys here my speed, I'm actually getting 1 meg up, which is not bad for a hotspot. Normally you can get like 2 megs, like full speed is 2 megs. But the problem with LTE is it bounces, as you can see, 1.3, 1.4, and then it'll drop to like 800, 500, and then it goes back up. But that's pretty good. It's pretty solid for being out in the middle of the woods, you know? Go faster.
Going on a ride? Yeah. You know it's like 2 or 3 hours, right? It is.
A long one.
It's a long one. Nice helmet.
Yeah.
You rocking the pink?
I didn't bring my helmet, so I'm wearing here.
Have fun.
I made it back to camp just in time for a ride. Actually, I technically missed it. They were pulling out right as I was pulling in, so they were already out there. I've got to get geared up and get everything ready and try to catch up with them.
Going on a ride?
Yeah, I just missed it. I got to try and catch up.
Have fun. Be safe. No crashes.
Always. Did like 3 or 4 Rangers come by here a minute ago?
I didn't see anybody.
No? My friend's got a 10-minute head start on me, so
Oh,
trying to catch up. I don't know where they went.
oh, that sucks.
What's that?
We just came out of there 3 minutes ago.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay.
That's a really nice trail.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Good to know. Made it. I was waiting for it, dude. I was waiting for it. Oh, yeah.
You're back.
Back.
How was it?
It was good. I mean, they're made for side-by-sides. Those roads are not made for dirt bikes. I mean, quad you could get away with, but there's just so many rocks. And riding behind these guys, they're moving rocks and throwing rocks. The front end sliding out, the back end sliding out. Like, it's rough, but it's so fun. Sean. I love riding. It's like, I'm an idiot. I don't know why I don't do it more often. Number one reason, I don't have anybody to ride with, so I need people to ride with. But yeah, it's good. Found some mud.
Found some mud.
So
How was it?
that was awesome. We got soaked at one point. So Aaron and Scotty, they were riding together. That one right there. And we were just kind of slowly driving around a huge puddle. And then them two drove as fast as they can into the puddle and splashed. It was like a tidal wave. And Daddy got it on camera on GoPro.
So you had a lot of fun?
Yeah.
Didn't realize how muddy I got actually until I got off and actually looked at the bike. It's gonna be fun cleaning that up. Potluck dinner tonight. Everyone's bringing a dish.
It's like bean dip.
Tiffany's making a tater tot casserole. So good.
So good.
They probably already tried it.
You know he's gonna use it.
Or such inside.
Is it craft time, Sierra?
Yep.
Dip it in that. And then brush it on here.
I know
Really? I messed up.
I'm good. What happened? What
Potluck is happening.
Oh, everyone's bringing out their dishes. We got rice, we got spaghetti, we got desserts, what? Appetizers. There's Tiffany's tater tot casserole, pulled pork, some smoked lasagna, salad, chicken enchiladas. Woo! What you up to, dude?
I don't know.
Just chilling?
Yeah. All the ones in forest. I don't really want to.
Yeah. There's bears out there. You gotta be careful. Baby's finally eating dinner, which makes me feel good because I was worried that she was eating like scraps and paper towels and stuff from the wind blowing. There's a lot of trash out there. Well guys, it's just about midnight and I am pooped. Long day, a lot of fun, a lot of laughs. Good ride, hard because there's a lot of rocks. That was not made for, those trails were not made for dirt bikes. They were made for side-by-sides and quads. Those guys can just run over everything and anything, and I'm like trying to dodge rocks and dodge logs, and whew, I want to feel it. My back's already starting to hurt. So I'm gonna go to bed, get some sleep. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys were doing this weekend. What you guys got going on? Big parties, vacations, trips, camping trips, you camping? Let me know in the comments down below. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Vlog on.